Echoing the words of the other person, be it in a business meeting or with a client or anyone at a seminar or meeting of friends or family, connecting and personalizing. Echoing is the technique. When you mention or when you mingle with people, for example, with designers, they don't call their office, they call it the studio. For doctors, it's clinic, not their office. For performers and artists, it's their gig. Appointments are gigs. And for example, if you're talking to a pharmacist, you don't actually ask him or ask her, how is their drugstore? Drugstore is notorious. They prefer it pharmacy. So these are some techniques to learn the art of echoing back their words so they actually feel quite personalized and they connect with you emotionally. That is echoing. So if a woman is buying a car from you, if you're a car salesman, and she mentions toddler, this is what is mentioned in the chapter 45. Then you, of course, echo this word toddler, toddler protection. You don't use the word child protection that is given in your manual. You would echo a word toddler protection in examples that you give so that she subliminally connects with you and thinks and assumes that you are from the same tribe. That is echoing. Master your communication skills. We'll be back again.